Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how you can find a high growth stock with the Yahoo Finance stock filters. It's very easy to find these high value growth or high growth stocks using the Yahoo Finance stock. First you have to log in into Yahoo Finance and then you have to search for research. Here I can see here is a research, click on that and you will find the screeners. Click on this. After clicking on this you will find this interface. Yahoo Finance offers several predetermined screens. uh, Look for options like growth, technology, or stocks or similar category. For creating screeners you have to create one. Now here you can see you have equity, mutual fund, ETF, index and future. Now I have to pick a screener, so I will click on equity. This will with the help of this option you can find the best stocks based on your category. I will click on this. Just wait to load. Here you can see the best 50 regions stock. You can see from here you can filter your equity to. I will click on this. You can select your equity filters. For example, I want market data, and for example I will choose price and Nasdaq, and I will apply filter. It will show me based on my filter. Here you can see you can also search market cap below 1 billion or above 1 billion. So for example I want uh, I want companies that are above $1 billion, so I will click on this and apply. It will show me above $1 billion cap companies. So here you can see price intraday. For example, I want $10 to 50. I will click on simply that, apply, and then it will show you again. So this is a plus point. You can filter your needs here. So it's very easy and simple. If you find this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel and thank for watching.